Yoyo's car?
That's here.
Here, kanina.
Not here.
Kanina, di ba yung si Yoyo's car?
Yoyo's car.
Yoyo's sleeping. Oh,
Mm.
you're so foggy.
You don't think that's the real car?
Where are you going?
It's real tire.
Where are you going?
Real bus tire.
No.
Real bus.
Stop watching na because look at your eyes. What happened to your eyes? Huh? Because you're always watching tayo. You're always watching yung cellphone. Na. Your eyes become red na. Where are you
Mommy,
going?
Mom,
Yes.
turn not to white.
Oh, ayun na. Turn on the lights. Let's turn on. Look at your eyes, oh. Oh. Pakita mo sa kanila yung eyes mo. See your eyes?
Yay!
Because you're always watching in cellphone. Oh, you see?
Wow!
Pakita mo sa kanila.
So
Ka pa.
butter, so butter, look.
Oh, matsundot mo yung
So
ano mo.
butter.
What? Sundot.
So butter now,
You're
look.
so bothered to your eyes.
No.
Stop watching tayo na, ha? If you always watching in TV and in cellphone, your other eyes will become
Head
like
south.
that. You want? Huh?
In 200 meters, turn
Of
left.
course not.
No.
Where are you going?
I know.
You don't know?
Let's see there.
Mhm.
Let's see horse.
We're gonna go to
No.
Malabon.
Let's
Say
go.
Malabon.
Let's swimming.
No, we're gonna go
Let's
to
go swimming.
swimming.
Let's go swimming.
Swimming? You like
Well-
swimming?
Okay.
Okay, sige, sa birthday mo, magsuswimming tayo, ha? On your birthday, ha? We're gonna go swimming, okay? Can you say Malabon?
Course, not the lodge.
Turn on na nga yan, eh. Can you say Malabon? Eh, you say Malabon.
I know.
No, you know it.
No.
Ma?
Huh?
La?
Money, so many bike.
So many bike? It's motorcycle. You wanna ride to motorcycle?
No.
Di ba you're riding to motorcycle with your daddy?
No.
Find the white car.
I found the white car.
The white car, okay.
Yay! I found the white car.
Good job, you find the white car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the red light. Red light means stop.
Stop.
Yeah. Yellow light means
Means
slow.
slow.
Yeah, green
Green
light
light
means
Means
go. And we're going
Let's
now.
go.
Yay.
Green
Good job.
light.
Yes, green light. You see the green light now?
No.
There's another stoplight. What color? What color is that?
It's a green.
Green means
Pink.
go. Good job.
Turn
Green
right.
sa monumento.
White bus. Hen. I'll go.
Ganda naman ng paa mo. Ano? Ha? Kasi wala na talaga.
Nana, white catchy.
Umakontak pa
Na,
sa
na,
sigato may face.
Nana, white catchy.
Wala na white taxi. Yaman na yung taxi.
Nana.
You wanna ride to taxi?
Oh,
Ha?
no.
No. Kasi you have naman. What car naman to ride to taxi? How about to bike? You wanna ride to bike?
No.
Oh, why? Why no?
No, it's not here. Not here. Motorcycle. Man, it's not a bike. It's motorcycle. Motorcycle. Yellow red. Yellow green. It's not back.
Let us set the vibe. Find your soundtrack on Spotify.
Mimi. Go.
Hmm?
Red Mimi is fish. Dog.
Head southeast.
Are you a dog? You're not a dog.
That.
Ano ba?
Papa.
Okay.
Hello.
Alam ko na yung nakaputan. Wait. Para mag-usap kayo.
Wait lang, wait mo si daddy. Dito na kami sa Katmon. Hakutin na nila yung ano. Ayan, hakutin na nila yung mga damit na ibibigay namin doon sa mga nasunugan.
Kasi nga, kailangan talagang... Habang boss mo, dalang sila, na ito yung nakakapasok. Ito yung nakakapasok. Pati... Binapit may bunga, doon ako nito. Bunga doon ako. Ano, gusto mo talaga. Oo, ano pa naman tayo. Weather. Picture ako pre, para.
Kako.
Hindi na ng araw. Ano? Yung mga
Wala na.
Kasi ubos ito dun.
Ang sikip ng kalsada nila dito, kaya siguro nahirapan yung mga bombero pumasok
Northeast, then make a U-turn.
sa kalooban.
Money. Two not white. Two not
Tapos ang dami pang basura sa
money. I'm Mimos.
deadly.
I see Wawayan.
Ang daming tambak na basura.
Monkey.
Parang, ito siguro yun. Sa loob niya, maraming tambak na basura.
People. Big. Big, big, big. Go up.
Ang dilim. Parang,
Big cow. Ham. Stick. Dinosaur. Tea. Button.
Dinosaur.
Tea. Crit. Amazing. Money. Amazing animals.
animals.
Yes. Amazing animals. Amazing.
Kaya siguro ang daming basura. Nagkakakot sila ng mga nasunog.
Money, don't busy.
Ha?
Busy.
I'm busy.
Busy.
Why? I need to be busy.
Money, red, white. Bigger.
Ito na, price.
Money, bigger.
Black burger. Oh, you wait.
Ito yan, ito.
Bigger, bigger. Nasty. Bigger.
Ako na.
Money, spicy, bigger. Spicy, bigger.
Spicy burger. Ayun na yung food natin.
Wow, what? Chicken. Wow, chicken. Sauce, red sauce. Some sauce.
No red sauce. Oh, sauce.
This one, this one, this one,
What do
this
you want first? Chicken. How about chicken?
This one.
Ito magkano?
This one, this one. This one.
Good yan.
Give me your hands. Here. Here. Alcohol. What do you want first, chicken?
Chicken. Man, this one.
Don't touch it. We eat rice now. You wanna eat rice again? Okay, Sabihin mo, be quiet. Gagalit na yung ano. Kulit-kulit.
Mama, look.
Oo, sip ko naman. Bukas na sila. Thank you.
We want some.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. I like. But I like this one.
How about the card? This is like
No, this one, this one. Ow. Bye-bye.
20 ka, no?
Mommy, mommy, mama, mommy, mommy, mommy.
Ano ka na?
Please spicy bigger. Mom,
Like spicy burger?
okay.
Are you sure? Are you sure you like spicy burger?
Mom,
Don't get it. That's dirty, Gabi.
mom, mommy, please on that. No.
That's dirty, anak. You like kabaw?
Ma, so clean
Oh, ano na
now.
sa'yo? Ano na sa'yo?
It's Ma.
So, eat na.
Mommy, so clean now. Ma.
Opo. Ayun na ko. Pizza, burger.
Ang sabi, ano nakalagay?
Hindi kami natasa ko dyan. Chicken champagne. Pinakababa. Dulo. Hindi ko nakakain ako coffee. Kala ko gusto mo ng coffee.
Siguro kayo ng ano mo? Bagal? Bagal?
Bago.
Lupito pa.
Why? Ano ba?
About stoplight, the color in the stoplight. He knows it. Doon ka kay ate. May tatanong sa'yo si ate. Dali.
What is the color of spotlight?
Spotlight. Stoplight.
What's stop?
What?
Red is stop.
Oh, red means stop. Next.
Next. No, it's slowly. No, it's next. No, it's slowly. Next.
Yellow slowly daw. Okay. What else?
No, it's go.
Ha?
Green is go.
Green is go. Ang galing naman. Good job, ha? Good job, Gabin. Very good.